Hi guys, I want us to solve this expression. In solving this, some people will get different answer. You know, some will say 2 times 5, it should give us 10. 10 divided by 10 plus 6. 10 divided by 10, 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6, 7. This is the wrong answer. So in solving this, we're going to make use of rule of operation, where we have pen dash, where P is parenthesis S exponential division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So you're looking at this, we have the division here. So we are going to solve it first before any other one. So solving it, 2 10 divided by 2, we are going to have 5 times 5 plus 6. 5 times 5, 25 plus 6. 25 plus 6, 31. So we have 31 here. So the answer to this expression, the right answer is 31.